Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Ignition Coil Pack Set of 4. This Ignition Coil Pack Set of 4 is specifically for various Toyota, Lexus, Scion, or Pontiac vehicles with the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. This includes the Lexus CT200h, Pontiac Vibe, Scion IM or XD, plus the Toyota Corolla, Matrix, or Prius. Years do vary per vehicle and range from 2008 to 2017, so please review the list below to confirm if these fit your vehicle. What your ignition coil packs do is they all receive a signal from your vehicle's ECU to send power to the spark plugs, which ignites the fuel in your engine at the right time. Each of these coil packs have the primary and secondary coil with a magnetic core where a very strong yet precise spark is created that is then sent through the high voltage connection to each spark plug. Replacing an ignition coil pack can traditionally solve common cylinder misfires and rough rutting issues. So, if your Toyota, Pontiac, Lexus, or Scion 1.8 liter engine has started to misfire, idle erratically, or it hesitates under acceleration, your original coil packs might be blamed. Additionally, a specific check engine light pointing to a cylinder misfire may also be present if one or more of these aren't working. While these ignition coil packs are not a genuine OEM part, each of these do have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish, as they were all designed to be OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout, OEM plugs, and of course the OEM mounting location. Installation of these coil packs can vary based on the vehicle being repaired and the coil pack location, as in some instances there may be wires or plastic bits in the way. However, this is traditionally a very easy job to do yourself. Pop open your hood, remove any necessary parts blocking your coil packs, locate them, carefully unplug the wire harness, and then remove the 10mm nut that is holding these in place. Reinstall in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement ignition coil pack set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.